NumisTrack is the new must-have app for coin collectors. Get instant access to your collection, wishlist, a full coin database, and more. All from one easy-to-use dashboard. Just look how easy it is to add a coin to your collection. Simply select the coin database button in the bottom right of the screen. With nearly 100 British denominations to choose from, it shouldn't be hard to find the coins you are looking for. Once you've selected a denomination, narrowing down your search further couldn't be easier with the handy built-in search function or filters, like the ruler filter shown here. Exploring is as simple as a scroll, and tapping a coin entry will show a more detailed view of the specific coin, including ruler, metal, mintage, and value by grades. Hitting the Add to Collection button will bring up the collection form, allowing you to select the grade of your coin and enter optional extras such as purchase price, date, and add a photo. Heading over to the My Collection tab will give an overview of your whole collection, including values automatically pulled from the coin database by your selected grade, as well as your purchase prices, dates, and any photos. This section also allows notes to be added to each coin entry for tracking and personalization. All fields are editable, including the value fields to allow for complete customization of the user's collection. A quick summary of the collection can be found under the My Collection tab of the dashboard screen, summarizing elements such as the number of coins owned, the total value of the collection, total purchase price, and a breakdown by ruler and composition. You'll spot other tabs in the dashboard screen, for example the wishlist and for sale, which we will be covering in another video shortly, so make sure to keep an eye out for those videos too. Ready to take your coin collecting to the next level? Download NumisTrack today on Google Play and start building your collection the smart way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. More tutorials, rare coin guides, and collecting tips are on the way. Thanks for watching.